Today we are going to see the 25% reduction in Science 1 lesson number 1. First page, that is gravitation, and in this first page, page number 1, you can see the use of ICT. That topic is reduced. Only this topic is reduced on first page. Now we will move on to the next second page. The second page totally reduce for ईयर 2020-21। आपके सिलेबस में से ये पेज रिमूव किया है, पूरा के पूरा पेज। नेक्स्ट पेज नंबर 3 पे कोई भी रिडक्शन नहीं है। पेज नंबर 4, द ग्रीन बॉक्स, इंट्रोडक्शन टू साइंटिस्ट, and this topic is removed. Then we will move on to the page number 5. Again page number 5, the topic, this totally topic is removed. Okay, this topic is removed. Now we will move on to the page number 6. On page number 6, the pink color box, and use your brain power. These topics are removed. Then we will move on to the next page number 7. On page number 7, again the remaining part of the previous pink color box, that is removed. No other reduction on page number 7 except that pink color box. Page number 8, there is no reduction. Page number 9, the topic mass and weight, this topic is removed. Okay, and again the green color box. So till that box you can mark, and the green color box, that much topic is removed. Now we will move on to the next page, page number 10. On page number 10, the pink color box is removed. Enough for page number 10. Now we will move on to the page number 11. On page number 11, again the pink color box, that is do you know, that topic is removed. Now we will move on to the page number 12. There is no reduction. Page number 13 also there is a no reduction. Page number 14, the pink color box, that is do you know, that topic is removed. So here lesson number 1 is finished. Now we will move on to the page number lesson number 2, page number 16. Here the topics, that is classification of element, the topic is removed, and the box number 2 and 3, these two calculations are removed. The first calculation is there in your syllabus, that is not removed. पहले नंबर का कैलकुलेशन रहेगा, दूसरा और तीसरा नंबर का कैलकुलेशन आपको एग्ज़ाम में नहीं पूछा जाएगा. Now we will move on to the page number 17. On page number 17, there are two boxes which are removed. The pink color box, that is do you know, and the musical note and element, that figure number 2.2, those two boxes are removed. Page number 17 is finished. Page number 18. On page number 18, the topic that is Introduction to Scientist. At the bottom of the page number 18, the topic is removed. Now we will move on to the page number 19. On page number 19, again at the bottom of this page, yellow color box is there. Use your brain power. The topic is removed from your syllabus for 2020 and 21. Now we will move on to the next page. Page number 20. There is no reduction. Then we will move on to the page number 21. Again the yellow color box. Use your brain power. This topic is removed. Now next page. Page number 22. On page number 22, the topic that is can you tell, that topic is removed. And one more topic, that is do you know, pink color box. These two topics are removed from this page. Next, page number 23. Can you tell? The topic is there. There are 3 questions which are removed from your syllabus. Now we will move on to the next page. Page number 24. Again there is a pink color box. Can you recall? There are again 3 questions which are removed for this year. Now we will move on to the next page. Page number 25. There is no reduction. Page number 26. Also there is a no reduction. Now page number 27. At the bottom there are 3 boxes. You can see internet is my friend, collect information, read the following reference books. These 3 topics are removed from your syllabus. So मेजर ऐसा कोई भी रिमूवल नहीं है. Then page number 28, the pink color box, do you know? That box is removed from your syllabus. And here lesson number 2 is finished. Now we will move on to the lesson number 3. You can see page number 30. There are 2 boxes which are removed. First, can you tell? There are 3 questions. You can see these 3 questions are removed. Can you tell? And the second one is this box. This box is also removed. Page number 31. The box that is find out. There is only one question. Observe and keep the record of physical and chemical changes that you experience in your day-to-day life. That find out is removed. Next page, there is no reduction. Page number 32, there is no reduction. Page number 33, try this experiment is there. And in try this total experiment is removed. You don't have to study that experiment. Now we will move on to the next page. Page number 34, there is no reduction. Balancing equation आपको एग्जाम में आएगा. Page number 35, removal of use your brain power. There are 2 questions. I think 3 questions, sorry. These three questions are there. Use your brain power. Three questions are there, and these are removed from your syllabus. Now we will move on to the page number 36. On page number 36, again the topic that is use your brain power. There are three questions, and try this. That activity is removed. Try this activity is removed. Now we will move on to the next page, page number 37. Again, can you recall? There is a question. That question is removed from your syllabus. Now, page number 38. There is no reduction. Page number 39. Try this. That topic is removed. Till this endothermic and exothermic reaction, the topic is removed. Next, use your brain power. There are two questions which are removed. Then, can you tell? There are 6 questions. These are also removed. So please note down those topics. We will move on to the next page, page number 4040. There is no reduction. Page number 41. The pink color box. Do you know? That box is removed from your syllabus. The next page, page number 42. Again the pink color box. Do you know? This box is removed, and below that there are 2 questions. Use your brain power. These 2 topics are removed. Now we will move on to the page number 43. The first topic, that is can you tell? The topic is removed, and the do you know, at the bottom of this page, these 2 topics are removed. Now we will move on to the next page, page number 44. The topic that is at the bottom of the page, that is find out. This topic is removed. That only topic is removed from this page. On page number 45, there is no reduction. And here, page number 46, that project is also removed. The project, you don't have to do that project. This project is also removed. Here, lesson number 3 is finished. Now we will move on to the next lesson, that is lesson number 4. And here the first topic, that is can you recall? Till this, the total topic is removed. Enough for this page, page number 48. On page number 48, the yellow color box, think about it. That topic is removed. Next page, page number 49, the blue color box and the green color box, both the boxes are removed. Next page, page number 50, the pink color box, that is do you know? That do you know box is also removed. And the examples which are removed, you don't have to study those examples also. Then we will move on to the page number 51. there is no reduction. Example number 3 and example number 4 you have to study. Then we will move on to the next page, page number 52. The topic, that is introduction to scientist. The topic is removed, and the topic at the bottom, that is always remember. These two topics are removed from this page. Now we will move on to the next page, page number 53. There is no reduction. On page number 54, there is also no reduction. Page number 55, same, there is no reduction. Page number 56, there is also no reduction. Page number 57, you can see the galvanometer, and that topic is removed. That galvanometer topic is removed. Next, page number 58. Page number 58, the last topic at the bottom of the page, that is introduction to scientist. The topic is also removed. Now we will move on to the next page, page number 59. On this page, till electric generator, this AC current and DC current, a total topic is removed. You don't have to study, and the questions on those topics which are removed, you can neglect those questions if you come across those questions. अगर आपको ये क्वेश्चन किधर मिलते हैं तो इन क्वेश्चन को आप नज़रअंदाज कर सकते हो, उनको निगलेक्ट कर सकते हो, आपको उसको आंसर देने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Then we will move on to the last topic, last page, that is page number 60. On this page you can see the DC generator topic is there. What will be required to make the DC generator, and this topic is also removed from your syllabus for year 2020 and 21. So in this way the lesson number 4 is completed. Now we will move on to the lesson number 5. On lesson number 5, page number 62, there is a topic that is try this, and this topic is removed from your syllabus. So that's for page number 62. Now we will move on to the page number 63. On page number 63 there is no reduction. Page number 64 also no reduction. 65 also no reduction. 66 also there is a no reduction. 67, page number 67, again there is a topic called introduction to scientist, and that topic is removed from your syllabus for year 2020 and 21. So we will move on to the next page, page number 68. There is no reduction. Page number 69, again the green color box ICT, the topic is removed from your syllabus. Only that topic is removed. For this page, page number 70, you can see the page number 70, the example number 3. You can study that example, but no point, that topic will not cover on in your exam. So that example number 3 is removed, and page number 70, continuation of that example, is also removed. Again that example number 3 is continued on page number 71. So on page number 71 that topic is removed. Remaining part of example number 3, other is finished. lesson number 5 is completed. Now we will move on to the lesson number 6. You can see on page number 73 there are activity 1, 2, 3. Out of them, activity number 2, activity number 3, these two activities are removed from your syllabus. For this page, that's it. Page number 74, there is no reduction. Page number 75, here you have to cut only this part. You can study only substances and their refractive index. So only air, ice, water, alcohol, kerosene. Other else is removed from this page. Now we will move on to the next page, page number 76. On page number 76 there is a topic that is can you tell, and that can you tell have two questions, and those two questions are removed. So we will move on to the next page, page number 77. On page number 77 the topic is use your brain power. There are two questions, and those two questions are removed from your syllabus. Now we will move on to the next page. There is a no reduction, and here the lesson number 6 is completed. Now we will move on to the lesson number 7. On page number 80 there is no reduction. Page number 81 also there is no reduction. Now we will directly move on to the page number 82. The topic that is try this. The topic that is try this. Again the whole topic is removed from this syllabus, and you have to cut that part. You don't have to study that part. Now we will move on to the page number 83. There is no reduction. Page number 84, there is also no reduction. 85, no reduction. Directly we will move on to the page number 87. 86 also there is a no reduction. 87, page number 87, there is a pink color box at the bottom of this page, and that topic, that is do you know, the topic is removed also. Now we will move on to the next topic, next page, page number 88, no reduction. 89, no reduction. 90, page number 90, the topic that is telescope, and that topic is telescope, the topic is removed. Again this topic is continued on page number 91. So the continuation of this topic, that is telescope, again the topic is removed. So टेलीस्कोप का जो पार्ट है वो आपके सिलेबस से 10th स्टैंडर्ड के सिलेबस से इस साल के लिए रिमूव किया है. नोट डाउन इट. सो पेज नंबर 92 there is exercise, there is no reduction, and here lesson number 7 is also completed. Now we will move on to the next page, page number 93. Lesson number 8 is starting there, and here the physical properties of metal, physical properties of non-metal, these two topics are removed. That is can you tell, the total topic is removed. Note down it so that you will get an idea. On page number, next page number 94, right hand side at the top of the page, do you know topic is there, and the topic is removed from your syllabus. Now we will move on to the page number 95. Please be careful here. The reaction, first reaction is there are two reactions which are removed. Sodium and potassium react with metal and liberate hydrogen gas. That two reactions are removed from this page. That's it for this page. Page number 96. On page number 96 you can see the topic. Oh my god. On page number 96 the topic called reactivity series of metal, and the topic is removed from your syllabus. Then page number 97 there is no reduction. Page number 98 there is a small reduction. You can see the properties of ionic compound, and in this topic you can see the potassium iodide is written here. So the potassium iodide, this topic, the chemical, that chemical name is removed from your syllabus. Next page, page number 99, there is no reduction. Page number 100, there is also no reduction. Page number 101, the small box, internet is my friend, and the topic is removed from your syllabus. Again, I'll say that the topics which are removed are very small topic. So now we will move on to the page number 102. Again the small topic, that is, do you know that pink color box which is also removed from your syllabus. Now we will move on to the page number 105 directly. 103, 4, there is no reduction. Directly we will move on to the page number 105. You can see the diagram or the figure, the do you know thermal welding, and that thermal welding is also removed from your syllabus. Again the yellow color box is there, collect information, and that box is also removed. Now we will move on to the next topic. Next page. Page number 106, there is no reduction. Page number 107, also no reduction. Now directly we will move on to the page number 108, and the topic again pink color box and the yellow color box. These two topics which are also removed from your syllabus. And here lesson number 8 is completed. Now we will move on to the lesson number 9, page number 110. The topics which are removed is first, can you recall and can you tell. The first, can you recall, is having 3 questions, and the can you tell is again having 3 questions, and those two topics from page number 110 are removed from your syllabus. So students, you have to note down those points so that your study will be easy. Now we will move on to the page number 111. So there is no reduction. On page number 112, you can see the pink color box, that is, do you know. That box is also removed. Only that box is also removed. There is no other reduction for this page. So we will move on to the next page, page number 113. On page number 113, I think there is no reduction. We will move on to the page number 14, 114. 114, again there is no reduction. 115, there is no reduction. Directly we will move on to the page number 116. On page number 116, the right side box at the top, green color box, that is, do you know. The topic is removed. only do you know is removed for this page. We will move on to the next page, page number 117. No reduction on page number 117, 18, 19, 120, directly 21, 21, there is no reduction. 122, there is also no reduction. 123, there is no reduction. We will move on to the page number 124. Again there is no reduction. 25, no reduction. 26, there is also no reduction. Directly we will move on to the 27, 127. You can see the pink color box, that is do you know, and that box is only that box is removed from page number 127. We will move on to the page number 28. You can see the alcohol, the green color box, that is removed from your syllabus for page number 128. Now we will move on to the next page, page number 129. There is no reduction on page number 129. Page number 130, there is also no reduction. Now on page number 131, the main topic, that is macromolecules and polymers. ये total topic is removed. Okay. Total topic, that is macromolecules and polymers. The macromolecules, natural macromolecules, man-made macromolecules, polymers. The topic is removed on page number 131. On page number 132, the total page is removed. So you don't have to study that page number 132. So we will move on to the next page, page number 133. Again on this topic, the remaining part of that macromolecules and polymers, the topic is removed from your syllabus for year 2020 and 21. I think here lesson number 9 is completed, and we will move on to the lesson number 10. In lesson number 10 on page number 135, there are two topics. One is can you recall and can you tell at the bottom of the page. These two topics are removed from your syllabus for year 2020 and 21. Now we will move on to the page number 136. The topic use of ICT. This topic is removed. Now we will move on to the page number 137. There is no reduction. Page number 138 also no reduction. Now directly we will move on to the page number 139. There is a pink color box, do you know? And the topic, the page number 139, do you know? And the example 1 and example 2, the whole examples are removed from this page. Here on this page only diagram is important, and we have already told you that this diagram is important for you. So we will move on to the next page, page number 140. There is no reduction. Page number 141. The topic do you know? Pink color box at the bottom of the page is removed from your syllabus for year 2020 and 21. Now we will move on to the next page, page number 142. The green color box, introduction to scientist. Again Rakesh Sharma, Kalpana Chawla and Sunita Williams. These topics are removed from your syllabus, so no question about these in well-known scientists. एक्चुअली दिस टॉपिक वाज इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर अस बिकॉज अगर हमें हिस्ट्री पता नहीं है तो साइंस क्या पढ़ेंगे। लेकिन फिर भी जो बताया है उसके अकॉर्डिंगली हम मार्किंग कर रहे हैं। सो फॉर योर सिलेबस दे तीनों भी साइंटिस्ट, अनफॉर्चुनेटली इनका जो हिस्ट्री है वो आपको एग्ज़ाम में इवैल्यूएशन के लिए नहीं पूछा जाएगा। लेकिन एटलीस्ट एज अ साइंस स्टूडेंट यू हैव टू रिमेंबर दोज पीपल। इनकी वजह से हम लोग ये लेसन नंबर 10 पढ़ रहे हैं। इनकी वजह से हमें हर चीज़ मालूम पड़ रही है। अगर ये साइंटिस्ट हम उनका टाइम नहीं देते तो हमें साइंस कुछ भी समझ में नहीं आता। ओके, विदाउट वेस्टिंग टाइम वी विल मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट पेज, पेज नंबर 143. Again the topic introduction to scientist. अगेन हर साइंटिस्ट का जो इन्फॉर्मेशन है वो इस साल आपके सिलेबस से ओमिट किया है। तो इस तरह से आई थिंक लेसन नंबर 10 इज़ ऑल्सो फिनिश। सो इन दैट वे द साइंस 1 के जो रिडक्शन है 25% रिडक्शन का जो मार्किंग है इस तरह से हमने कंप्लीट किया है। आपको फिर भी अगर डाउट होगा तो आप ये नोट डाउन करो, डाउट होगा तो वापस पूछ सकते हैं। थैंक यू।